presenting the GMC 2015 Canyon SLE1. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. This vehicle's top features include all-terrain package, off-road suspension package, preferred equipment group 4LE, SLE convenience package, 6 speakers, AM/FM radio, Sirius XM, Bose Premium 7-speaker audio system feature, radio data system and radio, AM/FM stereo 8 diagonal color touchscreen. This vehicle shows low mileage and has a smooth ride. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact our dealership.